I'm going to show you an example of calculating the fiscal multiplier. So let's take an example of an economy that has a marginal propensity to consume of 0.9. Now your textbook does not mention, and oh, by the way, I've got this formatted to present it as in the form of a percent. Your textbook author does not use the term marginal propensity to save, but I'm including that here because I think it's so helpful. So if an economy has a marginal propensity to consume, then that means we're going to make a broad assumption here and say there aren't any taxes, and we're going to say that they save the remainder, and so that would be 0.1 in this case. And here I've got just a check cell. These two numbers must add up to 1.00, and they do. So the multiplier then, remember our formula for the multiplier is 1 over 1 minus the marginal propensity to consume. So we're going to use that cell. And I need to point out here that 1 minus the marginal propensity to consume is also the marginal propensity to save. I'm following this formula though because this is what is in your textbook, so I'm being consistent with the textbook for you. So the multiplier here is 10. So we're going to put that down here. And let's say that there's a project, a government project that comes into town is spending $3 million. That's the amount of the spending. And we can format that. Let's 2 zeros and a comma. All right. And then the total economic impact is just the multiplier times the injection of spending. Multiplier times the injection or initial spending, I often call it. And that's $3 million. And we will format that also, just so you can see how to do that if you haven't already learned that. And the total economic impact is $30 million.